Your product image isn't changing when someone picks a variant inside a bundle. Let me show you how to fix that real quick. First, go into your theme, press Edit Theme, and open the product page template where you've added your bundle widget. Scroll down to the product information section. You want to make sure the native Shopify variant picker is still there. If you've deleted it before, no worries. Just press Add Block and select Variant Picker. Kaching Bundles uses this picker to trigger the image change, so it has to stay in your template. Just hit Save. Now jump back into your bundle. In the Settings panel, look for the variant options and toggle on Hide Theme Variant Picker. This hides it visually, but it still works behind the scenes. Click Publish and you're done. Now, when someone selects a different variant inside the bundle, your product image finally updates the way it should. And one extra note, if you're using a page builder to design your product page, make sure the variant picker is also added inside that builder's product template. If it's missing there, the image won't switch even if everything else is set up correctly.